Hello everybody. Today I will start with one word which is called vulnerability radar. Have you ever heard this word? You must have heard the word vulnerability. Vulnerability radar. It is a kind of clandestine warning system that tells us to retreat in the wake of danger. It is a kind of sixth sense. Actually, when you lack sixth sense, then only you are vulnerable to certain situations. Okay, so vulnerability radar is actually a word which just relates to one's sixth sense, a warning system that works in our mind and tells to retreat in the wake of danger. Now, we all are apprehensive, thinking about what the next moment of life will unfold for us. We all fear failures, and as you are working really hard on your vocabulary, and as you keep the anticipation of rewards that will come later dominant in your thought process, nothing can deter you from your chosen path towards building a superior killer vocabulary. With this, I will begin. The first word for today is chaste. Chaste. Chaste means pure, virgin. Example: her chaste and decorous grab was appropriately selected for the solemnity of the occasion. You must have watched various Indian movies where a modern girl, when made to meet a probable groom, has to wear traditional Indian clothes. Okay, that is just to show her chaste and decorous, and that particular attire is appropriately selected for that particular occasion. Next example, when Annie's boyfriend pestered her, she remembered her mother's advice to remain chaste. Next word is chasten. Chasten. Chasten means discipline. Punish in order to correct. Example: whom God loves, God chastens. Means God punishes in order to correct people. Next word is chastise. Chastise. Chastise means punish. Example: I must chastise you for this offense. Actually, in earlier times, when churches were dominant in the European countries, the church had the responsibility to punish people in order to correct their social manners of behavior. Then what the priest did, he chastised people in the name of God in order to correct them. Next word is chauvinist. Chauvinist. Chauvinist means blindly devoted patriot. Blindly devoted patriot means following a particular cause without considering the pros and cons. Example: a chauvinist cannot recognize any faults in his country, no matter how flagrant they may be. Okay. Now, what is flagrant? Flagrant means something considered wrong or immoral. Pakistan is a flagrant country because everything is wrong in that country. They show to the world that they are a democratic country, but the sole authority, lot of power, is infested in ISI, Taliban. Okay. Now, what do you think a terrorist is? Terrorist is also a chauvinist. He cannot accept anything about Islamic Sharia laws. Next word is check. CHECK. Check means stop motion, curb or restrain. Example: the United States government uses a system of checks and balances to ensure that no single branch or person has more control. Government seized affected poultry farms in order to check the spread of bird flu. Next word is checkered. CHECKERED. Checkered means marked by changes in fortune. Example: during his checkered career, he had lived in palatial mansions and in dreary boarding houses. Okay, everyone during his struggle has to face checkered circumstances. In circumstances marked by changes in fortune, and if one is fortunate enough, he will crack the nut. Next word is cherubic. CHERUBIC. Cherubic means angelic, like an angel, innocent looking. Example: with her cheerful smile and rosy cheeks, she was a particularly cherubic child. Next word is chicanery. CHICANERY. Chicanery means trickery, deception, frauding someone through a scheme. Example: the peddler often used chicanery to convince people that his goods were worth buying. Actually, salespersons often use chicanery to sell their products. Next word is chid. CHIDE. Chid means scold. Example: grandma began to chid Stephen for his lying. Next word is chimerical. CHIMERICAL. Chimerical means fantastic, highly imaginative, requiring lot of thinking. Criminal novels are sometimes too morbid for reading in bed. Morbid means something requiring concentration, a thing that will not let you sleep. Okay, so actually, why criminal novels are morbid? Because they are chimerical, because the plot of novel is fantastic, highly imaginative. Next word is chivalrous. CHIVALROUS. Chivalrous means courteous, faithful, brave. Example: chivalrous behavior involves noble words and good deeds. Next word is choleric. CHOLERIC. Choleric means hot tempered. Example: people of the choleric type will rip, tear, and demolish anything in their way. Next word is Choreography. Choreography is art of dancing. Example, do you know how hard it is to make you up your own choreography to a music? These days, choreography softwares are also available. What these softwares do? They just create a pattern of dance moves for a dancer to follow. Next word is chronic. CHRONIC. Actually, this word chronic is developed from root chron. Chron means time. Chronic means long established or existing for a quite long period of time as a disease. So chronic means long established as a disease. Chronic is a pathological condition, diseased condition. And the special thing about this condition is that it existed over a long period of time. Example, she suffered from chronic pain due to a spinal injury. One more example, my grandmother had chronic pain in her hip. Next word is chronicle. CHRONICLE. Again, this word is again constructed with a root chron. Chron means time. Chronicle is actually timely occurrence of events put together. It is a report, a record in chronological order. Means in a order of time, an event took place. Example, these stories are a unique chronicle of our time. At the time of New Year, many news channels display chronicle news, a news which tells the various events that took place during last year time. Next word is churlish. CHURLISH. Churlish means boorish, rude, ill-mannered and coarse. Example, dismayed by his churlish manners at the party, the girls vowed never to invite him again. Earlier I have told what does vow means. VOW, vow means promise. And dismayed means shocked. Okay, so dismayed by his churlish manners at the party, the girls vowed never to invite him again. Next word is ciliated. CILIATED. Ciliated means having minute hairs. Example, the paramecium is a ciliated one-celled animal. Next word is cipher. CIPHER. Cipher means non-entity, worthless person or thing. Cipher is also a secret or disguised way of writing a code. Cipher codes are used for hiding some information. Example, having the enemy's cipher machine made interpretation and interception much easier. Next example, she claimed her ex-husband was a total cipher and wondered why she had ever married him. Next word is circlet. CIRCLET. Circlet means a small ring band. Example, the tinny circlet is very costly because it is set with precious stones. Next word is circuitous. CIRCUITOUS. Circuitous means roundabout, taking a longer path. Example, because of the traffic congestion on the main highways, she took a circuitous route. Because of the flood in the region, the railway route was diverted means train now had to follow a circuitous route. Next word is circumlocution. Circumlocution. Circumlocution means indirect or roundabout expression. Example: some politicians are masters of circumlocution, and what they say is never what they mean. One more example: the detective grew tired of the boy's circumlocution and just let him go home. Actually, the criminals make use of circumlocution in front of investigating officers to deceive them. Next word is circumscribe. Circumscribe. Circumscribe means limit, confine. Example: although I do not wish to circumscribe your activities, I must insist that you complete this assignment before you start anything else. Next word is circumspect. Circumspect. Circumspect means prudent, which means showing care and thought for the future. Cautious about one's future is called circumspect. All students are circumspect. In fact, I will refine it. All sincere students are circumspect about their future. Example is: it is better to be bold than to circumspect. Investigating before acting, she tried always to be circumspect. Next word is circumvent. Circumvent. Circumvent means outwit, baffle, confuse thoroughly. Example: in order to circumvent the enemy, we will make two preliminary attacks in other sections before starting our major campaign. Next word is citadel. Citadel. Citadel means fortress, a military stronghold. A heavily protected and impenetrable building is also called citadel. Example: the citadel overlooked the city like a protecting angel, as it provides protection against foreign invasions. Next word is cite. Cite. Cite means quote, comment. Example: she could cite passages in the Bible from memory. Next word is civil. Civil. Civil means having to do with citizens or the state. It also means courteous and polite. Example: although Internal Revenue Service agents are civil servants, they are not always civil to suspected tax evaders. You all must be familiar with civil laws. Any violation of civil laws is considered a human rights violation. Next word is clairvoyant. Clairvoyant. Clairvoyant means having foresight, seeing the future. Example: Cassandra's clairvoyant warning was not heeded by the Trojans. Many mystics are blessed with clairvoyant capabilities. The capabilities to perceive the future beforehand. Next word is clamber. Clamber. Clamber means climb by crawling. She clambered over the wall. You must have watched wall lizards. Wall lizards also follow clamber motion in order to climb the wall. Next word is clamor. Clamor. Clamor means noise. Example: the clamor of the children at play outside made it impossible for her to take a nap. Next word is clandestine. Clandestine. Actually, this word I have used at the start of this video. Clandestine. Clandestine means secret. The lovers had a clandestine meeting. One more example. Introvert people have many clandestine talents. Next word is clangor. Clangor. Clangor means loud, resounding noise. Whenever you strike a metal continuously, a special kind of sound will be produced. So that loud resounding noise is called clangor of beating metal with hammer. Example: the blacksmith was accustomed to the clangor of hammers on steel. Next word is clapper. Clapper. Clapper means striker, tongue of a bell. Clappers are used to initiate a race, just as we use fly guns or air guns to start a race. Similarly, in track and field competitions, a clapper is used. Similarly, clapper is also used at the beginning of a shot in cinematography. Example: wishing to be undisturbed by the bell, Dale wound his scarf around the clapper to muffle its striking. Next word is clarion. Clarion. Clarion means shrill. Shrill is a sound that has a piercing effect to your ears. Trumpet-like sound. So shrill is a sound which is high-pitched and piercing. Example: we woke to the clarion to muffle its striking. Every morning, clarion whistle made us to give up our sleep and go to the ground for morning exercise. So this was the last word for today. Thank you.